Hey guys, we're starting off with a Halloween look, inspired from the character Pennywise. We already have prepped the skin with toner and moisturizer, and now we're applying the foundation. We're keeping it sexy and spooky so anyone can give it a try. For the eyes, we're going for a bold smoky look. We've used the gel liner for the base, blending it out upwards. We're using sort of a brick red color as the transition shade, matching it with the lips, and the same shades are applied on the under eye as well. Now that we're done with some contouring and highlighting, we're lining and filling up the lips with a deep red. To give an ombre effect, we've powdered the lips with a darker shade. Using the same lip pencil, we're mapping out the line and applying 3D liquid blood over it. We're finishing off the look by adding some extra details.